Here's a quick guide showing you how to remove a saved credit card or bank account from Amazon. First, open Amazon in your browser and sign in to your account. Using the desktop version makes it easier to manage your payment methods. Hover over Account and Lists at the top right and click Your Payments. This opens your Amazon wallet, where all your saved cards and bank accounts are stored. In the Wallet tab, find the card or bank account you want to delete. Click on it, and a menu will expand showing details about that payment method. To delete it, click Remove. Amazon will ask you to confirm. Just click Confirm Remove. The payment method will instantly disappear from your wallet. Sometimes Amazon prevents you from deleting a card because it's set as your default payment method, or it's being used for an active subscription like Amazon Prime, Audible, Kindle Unlimited, or Subscribe and Save. To fix this, set another card as your default payment method, or update the payment method inside Manage Subscription Payments. After updating your subscriptions, go back to your payments and remove the old card again. If a card is linked to any open orders, it can't be removed until the order ships. Update the payment method for those orders to unlock removal. And that's it. Your credit card or bank account has been removed from Amazon.